loaders and casters, welcome to JH586. I'm Jamie. I got a quick unboxing. Let's get to the table and see what we got. Got home from work today, got a box from CW. Let's see what's in here. So yeah, he got me too. I guess y'all saw Mark Thomas's video and Tactical Fud's video, so I'm another victim of the CW Express. Look at this. Can y'all see that? Look at those beautiful purple bullets. Those look vaguely familiar. Those plain base, it looks to be like a 35 caliber bullet. Beautiful bullets. That reminds me of one I use. Oh boy. Look at this old box. Does that say $3? I believe that says $3. I love these old boxes. $360, $344. There you go. Can you see that? Probably backwards in the camera though, ain't it? Wow. Wow. This thing's like brand dang new. And it's a soup can. It's a true wad cutter from back in the day. No button nose. I mean, just the soup can. Thanks, CW. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. All right, so let me get some stuff. I gotta compare. Be right back. Get a good look at it. Look at that beautiful purple. And these remind me of the bullet I use in my 35 Remington hunting load. And that is, this is the Lee 358 200 round flat. Difference being, you can see that the me-plat on the Lee bullet is a good bit larger than the other one. Seeing this old mold reminded me of one I already have, and I wanted to dig it up. This is a 358 495. And this is a single cavity, but you can see that it's a much newer production. Let's take a look at this one. Of course, it looks almost brand new too. This is the 358 495, which is also a wad cutter, but this is a button nose wad cutter. You can see the little button down below. Yeah. Both of these are old molds. They're in great shape. I'm just honored to have them. CW, thank you, brother. I appreciate it very much. But I hope y'all can see the difference. Let me show it a little bit closer here. That's the there we go. You can see that soup can look as opposed to the button nose. So yeah, two great old molds. And CW again, thank you, brother. And you saw the similarity in the bullets. Got a box from the Scottish American the other day also, and he sent me some 40 cal brass, and he sent some 380 brass for Kyle. Kyle, I gotta bring this to you, buddy. And this really neat little tripod. I don't know where he got this, but he told me that it comes in packages of 3 or 4, I think. But it's heavy duty, man. I mean, it's small, but it's really heavy. It seems to be all metal. I think these sleeves are plastic. And of course, that little thing right there is plastic. But you can see the ball and socket in there. See, it's all metal. But we'll be using that at the range some. Let me put that over there where you can see it. All right, so that's going to about wrap it up for me this evening. Check us out Friday nights at 8 o'clock on the Georgia Shooting Connection channel. This week's special, it's our 5th anniversary. So come check out what we have in store for you. And we hope the Lord blesses you all real good. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.